Looking for the best welding machine in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best welding machine available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Hitbox Arc 200S welding machine is a compact and versatile 2-in-1 welder designed for both arc/MMA and lift-TIG welding applications. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance, efficient power usage, and smooth welding results. The adjustable 10-200A output range makes it suitable for a variety of metalworking tasks, from home repairs to light fabrication projects. Its LED digital display allows precise current adjustments, while the portable design makes it easy to transport and store. Reliable, user-friendly, and affordable, the Arc 200S is an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and hobby welders. Number 4. The Deco MMA Series 4.1 kVA inverter arc welding machine is a practical and affordable solution for DIY welding and repair projects. Operating on 220V power, it delivers stable arc performance and smooth welding results thanks to its advanced inverter technology. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, while its user-friendly controls are suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. Reliable, efficient, and versatile, this welder is ideal for home workshops and light-duty metalworking tasks. Number 3. The Femoral 6-in-1 welding machine is a versatile and powerful solution for hobbyists, DIY users, and professional welders. Supporting gas MIG, gasless flux core, stick, lift TIG, spot welding, and spool gun compatibility for aluminum welding, it offers exceptional flexibility for a wide range of projects. Dual voltage 110V/220V operation makes it suitable for both home and workshop use. The machine delivers stable arc performance, smooth wire feeding, and reliable weld quality across different materials. Its intuitive controls and compact design enhance usability, while the multi-process functionality eliminates the need for multiple machines. Overall, it provides excellent value, convenience, and welding performance. Number 2. The Hitbox HBT250P AC/DC TIG welding machine is a feature-rich 5-in-1 welder designed for professionals and serious welding enthusiasts. Supporting AC/DC TIG, HF-TIG, MMA arc stick welding, and advanced 2T/4T operation modes, it offers exceptional versatility for working with aluminum, stainless steel, and other metals. Powered by efficient IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance and precise weld control up to 200A. The AC/DC capability makes aluminum welding smoother and more reliable, while the IP21S rated design enhances durability. Compact yet powerful, the HBT250P combines performance, flexibility, and value, making it an excellent choice for demanding welding applications. Number 1. The Hitbox 6-in-1 270A aluminum welding machine is a versatile all-in-one solution for a wide range of welding applications. Supporting MMA, gas MIG, gasless MIG, HF-TIG, cutting, and aluminum welding, it offers exceptional flexibility for professionals and advanced DIY users. The digital display provides clear parameter monitoring, while 2T and 4T modes improve control during long welding sessions. Powered by advanced inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance and consistent weld quality on stainless steel, aluminum, and other metals. Compact yet powerful, this machine combines convenience, efficiency, and excellent value for demanding workshop tasks.